Entity member Vile has joined your lobby.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Vile here again. I want to show you guys something really cool, right? So we have Discord here, right? Really cool place to be. Yeah, it's nice, right? When Discord first started out, they said, a TeamSpeak and Skype and get Discord, right? So we all got Discord. We all know what happened. Discord blew up. But then somewhere in between blowing up and getting popular, they wanted more popularity. So what they said was, hey, we're not really going to appeal to gamers anymore, and we're going to appeal to a whole community, right? And now they added things like you can go to your profile and you can request to get private information, right? That's a little odd, right? Like people, if they can get into your account, they can download every message you've ever sent, right, over Discord. Same thing with Discord themselves, right, which I'm sure they could already do. But it's just kind of like odd, right? Like the whole linking personal info now is a very easy thing people like hackers and stuff to do, right? Now, another thing too is that you can tell that it's no longer just gaming, like the way they're changing things up. It's very interesting to kind of see these changes, even just from the logo, right? They're just really trying to show like, hey, we're not gamers anymore, right? But there was this Discord bot called Gilded. Gilded was awesome to use. I never really used it myself. I've seen other servers have it, and I've seen it kind of function. But it is a bot that evolved once they kind of put out that, no more gaming stuff, and they're kind of heading in like a really odd direction, like Discord did. A app came along called Gilded. Now I'm going to show you Gilded and what it has to offer, right? So first off, as you know, Discord has 3 options for channels. You got text, voice, announcement, stage, right? That's it. When you go to somebody's profile, this is the extent, right? When you go to, I mean, really, that's just it. That's all the Discord is. You just join a link. If you want to find a public server, right, you kind of have to go down to here to explore and find one. But your server will not be listed unless it's partnered with Discord, right? So it's just the only way for people to find you, right, and your community is to find it on another source like Reddit or a forum somewhere, or someplace nobody gives a crap about, right? If you're on VR chat, you just post it in your world. Nobody cares, right? That's the reality of it. But we have Gilded. Again, they're sticking to the original idea. It looks like a copy, right? I thought so too, and I got kind of invested into it. And I started looking around, right? I'm going to go ahead and go to the Shadow Collective variant that I made of this. Nitro subscriptions, right? As you know, Nitro subscribers have to pay for, profile animated pictures. They have to pay for using animated emojis, using emojis from other servers and different places. They have to pay for quite a lot, right? Upload file size, all that stuff. Change in audio quality, right? You have to pay $10 a month to do it. I have been donating to Discord for basically since the beginning of Discord itself, right? Like, I found this app when it was first starting, and I was a big supporter of it, and I got, the group I was with, TFU, onto the platform, right, from Xbox 360. Or not 360, sorry, Xbox One. It was like right at the beginning there. And, we watched it grow. Obviously, I don't talk to those guys anymore. But the point is that the next social social gaming killer I feel is here, right? And I want you guys to look at it. Actually look at this, right? So what it has to offer is chat, streaming, voice, right? That right there, you know, and announcements, that is Discord. That's it, right? But then you got calendar, scheduling, media, docs, list, forums, right? Like, Jesus. A lot of stuff, right? And for profiles, right? This is, you think this is it, right? Boom. Right, and that's a chocolate chip pancake, because I like chocolate chip pancakes. So, what's cool about this is you can list the games all the games you play, right? You just list them. You can put your alias per each game there, right? So you can just have people go to your profile and add you that way. You can have post like Engine, right? If any of you guys ever used Engine before, and you can list all your social media, right? Anything you got, and then you can have like a little bio, like you can have a bio section. I think as long as you want it to be, and then you can have a quote, and then you can have your status, right? And then you can have your profile picture and a banner, right? Again, mine's a chocolate chip pancake because I love chocolate chip pancakes. So yeah, the games, the game list, the media page. What I did here was I just put models that I worked on, right? Either rigged or whatever, right? Just kind of like a little portfolio thing, you know, just like a little thing for people to scroll through if they want. So, you know, if there's ever the time when this does take over, you know, beats Discord, people will be able to just go to my profile and be like, oh, hey, this is what this guy done, right? Like, they don't have to go to an external link. They can just go to my profile and it's there, right? And it looks like an Instagram feed. You know, anyone can go to my profile, right? Depending on the settings I've set, and they can just comment like, hey, this is cool, or hey, this sucks, whatever, right? So that is just the media section. Now let's go back to, I took this name. You have the ability to also do subscriptions. Now, subscriptions, Guilded only takes about 2% of the income you make, but instead of nitro boosting, you can have your own perks for your own server set up however you want, and you can sell that. So you can have your own donation, like, server features. Like, you know, I'm in a group called Entity on Discord, and Entity on Discord, right, I'm not allowed to show that channel. Okay. Entity on Discord has quite a lot of server boost, right? 102. Now, if you think about it, right, each server boost equals $3 or something like that, right? So, but I think it's more you purchase. But let's say each person is server boosting and paying for Nitro, right? The full subscription. Well, that's a lot of money, right? And that's a lot of money not going to Entity, right? But that's money going to Discord. They're taking all of that. All of it's theirs. Everything that people are paying for in your server, right? The stuff you set up using their program, they're taking all that money. Now, Guilded is not. Guilded, you can have your own tiers, right? You can set up your own subscriptions. You can name the subscriptions whatever you want. It's like a Patreon system within Discord for Discord features or whatever the heck else you want to do, right? And that's beautiful, right? Another cool feature is find a server, right? You can look up players too. So if I type in whatever name, right? If I type in Vile, there I am, right? There's tournaments, right? A tournament feature. Like, you can find tournaments. Like, you can create tournaments. You can put a cash prize down. You can go to explore players, matchmaking, right? So it's like an LFG system within Guilded, which is freaking awesome, right? If you make a server, you can find it, right? Like there's an option to make it either public or private, and if people just type in Transformers, right, they will find my group. There it is, right? Just like that, and the beauty too, right, is it's kind of like, it reminds me of Xbox, where like if you took a name, nobody else can have that. It's the same thing on Gilded, right? So no one else can be me. No one else can be Vile, right? I am Vile, right? No one else can have the name, right, for their Discord server, Transformers, right? If Hasbro reaches out, screw it, whatever, I'll give it to them, right? But no one else can have the name Transformers Universal, right? I own it, right? So that's the thing, like, you make these servers, right? If you make a server, try to maintain it, right? Don't just try to troll somebody, just take it. Obviously, if somebody deserves it, then whatever, but you do you. So each server, right, that name is now yours. No one else can get it ever unless you give ownership to them, right, or you change the name on it. You can have your own URL, right, which is a Nitro thing. You can server types, right, time zones, right, all that stuff, URLs, server banners free. I don't know if you remember, but Discord used to have where you could have like transparent logos. Well, they have it here. They don't have that on Discord anymore. I'm pretty sure it just changes it to a white background. You can do that with your profile pictures too. You can make server bots through this, right? So I made Leverboy, right? So you can just create a bot, blah, add, right? And you can add. You can make your own stuff, like whatever you want a bot for. You can make your own bot and you can name it whatever, like so easy. And then on top of that, right, obviously pretty much everything Discord has, but more and better, and honestly I feel less cluttered, right? The cool feature, I'm going to show my friend's server, hopefully they don't get pissed off at me, it's kind of free advertising. But like, if I wanted to reply to "my nose feels like dying," right, create thread, sorry to hear that, man, enter. So what that does is it's just like the replying system, but it started a thread with him. And now, instead of me replying all the way later, he can still see it right there. It creates like an extra thing, but like it's organized, right? So people can continue with their conversations and have it where it needs to be, right? You know, there's things like introduction rooms. You can have these individual posts, right, for your RP characters or whatever. Your, you know, if you do rules, you can have topics, updates, right? Like, just the whole thing is there. Like, event calendar. You can list calendar, like an event calendar, and you can put down like when you're gonna be hosting an event or something. And basically, what that will do is you can just like right click on it if you're normal, right? Like if you're on your phone or something, and the app is on your phone too. You can just like click it and put subscribe, and then Gilded will notify you when that event happens, or whenever you want to be notified, right? It's pretty freaking cool. Roles. Under your role section, if you make the role, you don't really need bots like YagTB anymore. You can just go add me to role, right? So boom, I now have social media, right? Yeah, it's just all around better, and I'm sure I'm forgetting things, you know, like memes and media. You can organize it better now. Art, you know, nothing really gets lost anymore. Self promo, you can list. You know, people can post their servers in an organized manner, so it doesn't get lost through time. People can just type it in, right? Find it, whatever. Yeah. So I mean, that's the gist of it. Uh, Audit log, applications. People can apply to join your server, so you can have it be like an application process to join, your group. There's just a lot of incentives to keep people active. They're still making changes, right? They have their own gilded server. You can advertise here your server, right? Like this is just badass. Like they're doing everything right. They care about their community. I asked questions before, and they've replied like within 5 minutes, right? The actual staff. Whereas Discord, you can't even talk to their staff at all. Like, this is great. You can tell it's loving, caring, a good community about gamers, and it's a good time. It's a good time. So definitely go check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and this is Discord versus Gilded.